an international cultural organization in Niger Republic, turbaned Professor Adamu Gwarzo, founder and president of Mani Abacha American University, as Sarkin Yaki Da Jahilci in Africa, as traditional title that means a leader in addressing lack of education in Africa. The president of Aminci Cultural Association, Hamza Shaibu, honored the president because of his contribution to the educational development of Niger and Africa as a whole.
Au nom du festival Adamu, nous consacrons Sarkin Yaki Da Jahilci Africa.
Professor Gwarzo was presented with a certificate of honor and a sword that day.